In last problem, we have learned that a link OA rotates around point O. But in this problem, what they have given, we'll try to understand it. A circular disc of diameter AB. Okay, so with the given dimension, we will draw the disc, circular disc first, and they have mentioned that its diameter AB is 120 mm. So AB is the name of the diameter. In previous problem we were concentrating up to the radius portion only, but here we have to concentrate on diameter. Okay, diameter 120 mm rotates with uniform angular velocity. If it is moving with uniform angular velocity, again we have to divide the circle in equal 12 parts. Now everyone knows how to divide the circle in 12 parts. We will divide the circle in 12 parts. Take the distance equal to radius in your rounder, keep it on all four corners and cut the arc on both the sides of the corner. You will get 12 parts. Now the disc is rotating with uniform velocity. The point P, which is at A. So point P initially it is at A, moves with uniform linear velocity. Linear velocity means every state is having the same length, isn't it? And reaches point B. Finally it reaches to point B. ये P का क्या हो जाएगा? P dash. Finally it reaches here with uniform speed, uniform linear velocity. So now my question is, in previous problem we have divided the segment O to A. Now in this segment P starts from A and reaches to B. So which portion we have to divide? AB we have to divide in equal 12 division. So the diameter is 120 mm. It's very easy. 10 mm each. We will divide. Is it clear? So maybe we will have one here. It depends on you where to give the naming. Again you read whether clockwise, anti-clockwise requirement is given. Now we are assuming that AB is moving in this direction, anti-clockwise direction. So one I have taken here. So one we will take here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will proceed like this. Have you understood up to this step, everyone? Now it's very simple. We have done the construction already. How to do it? Now you start cutting the arc. If it is anti-clockwise, then we will draw the arcs like this. If it is clockwise, then we would have taken one here. ऐसा करेंगे या कैसा करेंगे? Opposite करते हैं, okay? अगर हमने इसको कंसिडर किया कि ये क्लॉकवाइज है तो वन यहाँ पे आएगा हमारे. ये समझ में आ रहा है? तो कैसे, ऐसे बनाएंगे या ऐसे बनाएंगे? आप लोगों ने कैसे बनाए? वन यहाँ पे ऊपर बनाए क्या? ओके, तो ऊपर बनाते हैं हम लोग. क्लॉकवाइज कंसिडर करेंगे, बट अगर एग्जाम में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज आया तो जैसे अभी लिखा था वैसे लिखेंगे. सो विल टेक 1, 2. आफ्टर दिस क्या करेंगे, कौन बताएगा? Center to 1 and we will get P1. Then we will get P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6 तो यहाँ पे है ही, ठीक है. Now 7 onward क्या करेंगे? Opposite arc करके. Why? ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि when the disc will complete its half rotation, ये जो 10, 11 पॉइंट है एक्चुअली इस साइड आ जाते हैं. तो ये जो हमारा पॉइंट 1 है इट बिकम 7. ये जो 2 है ये बन जाएगा 8, ये 9, ये 10 और ये 11. समझ में आ रहा है? तो P7 से आर्क ले लो और यहाँ पे लाओ, इस P7 पे लाओ. समझ में आ रहा है? P8 से आर्क बनेगा हमारा एंड इट विल एंड ऑन द सेम लाइन. मतलब we are getting the repetitive point. आप लोग ये करके देखो एक्चुअल कंस्ट्रक्शन. सो P11 11 वाला आएगा. Then we will have this 10. 9 वाला सेम आएगा यहाँ पे. P9. 8 वाला यहाँ पे आएगा P8 और 7 वाला मैंने आपको बता दिया यहाँ पे आएगा, ठीक है। सो वंस वी गेट द पॉइंट्स वी विल जॉइन देम। कैसे आएगा कर्व, बना सकते हो? So we will join them. You also try making it, everyone. P1, P2, then we have P3, P4, P5, P6, then P7. हाँ? सेम लेवल पे आएगी, यस सेम लेवल पे। मेरा अभी डायमेंशन से नहीं बनाया हुआ, द लेवल विल रिमेन सेम, इजीली यू विल गेट दोस पॉइंट एंड यू कैन मेक द स्केच। सो द स्पाइरल विल लुक समवॉट लाइक दिस, okay. Finally we will give dimension to the circle and this is the spiral. You can write simply spiral.